I'm Daniela, and today's video is gonna be really quick. I'm gonna show you how to make these Pura Vida style bracelets, which I totally recommend buying from if you don't want to make it. But if you can't, or you're like me and just rather make it yourself, I'm gonna show you how. So let's get started. Start by cutting 9 cords with 20 centimeters each. You will need 3 of each color. I did yellow, white and pink. Join all the cords and set them aside. You can make these bracelets with 2 types of cords, a waxed polyester cord, which is the original one, or the one that I used, which is nylon satin cord. It's a bit softer than the waxed one and in my opinion feels a bit softer on the skin. Cut another 2 pieces of cord with 25 centimeters each. Grab one of them and tie an open knot. Slide the cords inside the knot and pull it tightly. Do another knot on top. Slide the knot closer to the edge and trim the ends. Use a lighter to carefully and really slowly melt them together. Do the same for the other side. Grab one of the sides and twist the cords. Twist them both for the same side. Once you twist one, hold it with the other hand while you twist the other. Then twist both cords together. Make a knot at the end to hold it. Once again, do the same for the other side. To make the closure part, lay both end pieces together like this and use another cord to make a series of square knots around it. If you don't know how to make square knots, I have a video just dedicated to that and I will leave it linked in the card and in the description box below. Tie a bunch of them and once you're happy with it, cut the ends, leaving still a bit of cord sticking around and melt it. And that's it! If you end up with extra thread, you can always make an anklet or a set of bracelets for your friends. If you do make these bracelets, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so I can see it and give you a shout out on my stories. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before you leave, remember to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up because that would help my channel a lot. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!